Hi, my name is David Schoem. I teach at the University of Michigan. The name of the workshop is the Exercise Toolkit for Virtual Interactive Teaching and Learning. This workshop is about maximizing student engagement and interaction in a remote course. It's for people, you can have good, fancy technical skills, but that's not required. It's just for people who like student engagement in their classes, and here are ways to do it remotely. So I want to try to help people build a sense of community in the classroom. I think students are really eager to have that, especially during the pandemic. We're going to learn how to do these exercises and then also practice them in the workshop. The takeaway is this toolkit of exercises. The participants will be able to go back. We're going to practice 5 different exercises, and that people will be able to go back and actually use them in their classes, the ones that seem most appropriate for them. So they'll have experience in they'll be able to both learn how to do it, and then they'll have had experience doing the exercise, and they'll see, oh, this will really work in my classroom, or perhaps not. I love to teach. I've been teaching many years, and that's what really inspires me. I love sort of sharing and talking with other faculty and teachers. I teach at the University of Michigan. I was a first-gen college student, so I really care a lot about my students. I've been a leader in the intergroup dialogue programs and setting that up across the country. So the idea of engaging with students, building community is really critical to me. My most recent book was called Teaching the Whole Student, Engaged Learning with Heart, Mind, and Spirit. So it's all about relational teaching, building community, interaction, and I'm really happy to learn with others and share that in the workshop. Looking forward to seeing lots of people there.